The absence of official WD-40 documentation leads to most drivers wasting significant portions of their income on vehicle upkeep. However, we have found some genius repairs for your sake. These incredible lubricating techniques can repair things you did not even know were damaged. The applications range from reviving jammed-up mechanical parts to protecting your car's sensitive electrical components. Whereas these applications aren't mentioned in the manufacturer's directions, the last method is especially noteworthy. It's close to being deceptive. But just when you thought WD-40 was only for squeaky doors, this next trick might save your car from silently rusting away right under your nose. Emergency rust protection. Living in areas where they salt the roads or it snows exposes your vehicle to a gradual progressive deterioration process. The most vulnerable area is often overlooked, the inner section of your wheel wells. When vehicles travel, road spray forces moisture and salt particles upwards, which then lodge behind the fender liners, underneath the frame, and in the bolts. The moisture creates a friendly environment for corrosion to accumulate unnoticed until there is a sudden failure. The solution is easy. Spray a light coat of WD-40 on the inner lip of the wheel wells, the underside of the doors, the fuel cap hinge, and anywhere else water tends to pool. WD-40 immediately displaces moisture and leaves a protective film that corrosion cannot develop on. No tools or specialized equipment are required. Just spray and wipe clean. This simple 10-minute task should be done every few months, especially prior to and following winter months, to avoid expensive damage. Though this technique won't reverse current corrosion, it will certainly stop it in its tracks. And if you thought rust was sneaky, wait until you hear what's been making all that noise every time you hit a bump, because the next fix might silence more than just your suspension. Silence noisy suspension. Springs. That annoying driveway squeak you've grown accustomed to? It's rarely a sign of worn shock absorbers. In most cases, the culprit is your coil springs chafing each other with just enough force to be frustrating. Eventually, accumulated debris, corrosion, and worn rubber bushings begin to whine, making every pothole and turn an obnoxious reminder. Since most motorists either forget the noise or waste lots of money replacing completely functional components, there is a simpler solution. It is simple. Jack the car slightly or position it to unload the wheels and squirt WD-40 generously onto the coil springs and bushings. Target where rubber meets metal. Allow the lube to saturate thoroughly before cycling the suspension several times. Squeak will end. Rather than just masking the issue, you're eliminating accumulated friction and giving these pieces a little room to function smoothly. Regular maintenance like this actually serves to keep your suspension system operating longer. The ensuing quiet is much nicer than the incessant noise it replaces. Gas cap and fuel door. Most drivers ignore their vehicle's fuel door mechanism until maintenance issues arise. Under the influence of environmental conditions like rain, dicing agents, and trash, deterioration is unavoidable. As corrosion progresses, the assembly locks in place or completely fails. In severe cases, the gas cap becomes so stiff that it appears welded on. The repair is easy. Open the fuel compartment first and spray the articulating joint and locking mechanism with WD-40. Clean the rubber seal around the cap and threaded area with a cloth and a slight spray of WD-40. This precaution prevents it from running poorly, halts corrosion of the hinge assembly, and prevents the cap from sticking or drying out. Another benefit of this procedure is that this treatment will readily eliminate lingering fuel odor residues in the car cabin. In regions occupied by colder climates, this brief measure prevents winter frost buildup over the cap. This small intervention takes only half a minute to complete, avoiding future distress of great magnitude. Stop brake pedal squeak. When you press the brake, there is a typical squeak. The reason for such an annoying noise has nothing to do with your car's braking system or the rotor discs. The problem lies with your brake pedal assembly. The reason is usually caused by dry conditions. When you push down the pedal, the metal pivoting joints knock into each other, gradually developing into a repetitive squealing noise over time. To get rid of this, stand under the dashboard and locate the top part of the brake pedal linkage at its pivot point. Spray some penetrating oil into the joint where the pedal meets the mounting bracket. Push the pedal up and down a few times to circulate the lubricant. You'll experience immediate loosening of the mechanism. More importantly, the squeak will cease. This fix requires no replacement parts, equipment, or professional assistance. When you do this section, consider doing the clutch and accelerator pedal hinges as well. You'll be amazed at how much smoother your entire car operates after you make this simple adjustment. But just as one squeak disappears, another winter menace waits. This time it's not about sound, but the icy grip that locks you out when you need it most. Rubber door seals. Winter also brings with it the maddening problem of frozen car doors. If rubber seals dry out, they stick to the door frame, creating a frustrating situation. With each time you rip the door open, you increasingly harm the material. With time, several problems emerge. Cracks develop, wind noises begin to make themselves known, and rain seeps through in the event of heavy rainfall. Here's the solution. Spray WD-40 on a cloth and wipe down all your rubber seals around your trunk doors and hood. This recipe prevents water from getting in, keeps seals pliable, and adds a freeze-resistant coating. The treatment also extends seal life, particularly at extreme temperatures. And with this simple maintenance, you won't be fighting with frozen handle locks and stuck doors on your commute to work. Just 2 minutes of labor twice a year keeps your seals in prime condition for years to come. Most drivers overlook this basic maintenance until major problems develop. Lubricate the ignition lock. Main resistance signifies problems, usually signifying contamination within the ignition system. Not addressing this problem results in ongoing degradation, resulting in a stuck key and an emergency tow call. The solution is simple. Simply spray the target WD-40 spray with the straw nozzle into the keyway. When inserted, turn the key several times to allow the lubricant to soak and loosen the inside mechanisms, washing out any accumulated detritus and making it work smoothly once more. This maintenance process is particularly valuable for older vehicles or used vehicles with worn-out ignition assemblies. Periodic use every few months prevents progressive mechanical wear and tear and the risk of expensive repair. Quick and cheap, it beats the frustration of a broken key in dire situations. And just when you freed your ignition from its stubborn grip, another sticky situation pops up, one that's hiding in plain sight on your windows and bumpers. Remove sticker residue. When removing old stickers and inspection labels, the adhesive doesn't want to come off. Instead of scratching with your nails or applying hot water, which only spreads the glue, employ this clever method. Spray WD-40 straight onto the gunk and leave it for 30 seconds. Then finish with a microfiber cloth or plastic scraper and wipe it clean. This method is effective on windows, bumpers, dashboards, and plastic trim without scratching paint or glass. Any remaining haze will be left spotless by a second treatment. Unlike harsh chemicals, WD-40 won't ruin your clear coat or leave sticky residue. This quick, clean repair is a wonderful hack. Once you use it, you'll never take stickers off the hard way again. Wiper blade revival. Rainy day windshield woes? Quick fix. Spray your wiper blade's rubber edges with WD-40 and allow to stand for 5 minutes. Follow with rubbing alcohol for better visibility. The trick also works well on rear wipers, often forgotten maintenance candidates. Prevent key fob button wear. Key fobs are subject to ongoing use and abuse during daily use. Slung over countertops or dropped into bags, they are subjected to hundreds of button pushes weekly. Eventually, the rubber deteriorates, icons become cloudy, and buttons become recessed deeper into their housing. To avoid deterioration, apply a single drop of WD-40 on a cotton swab. Rub gently over the rubber buttons and edge areas. It moisturizes the rubber, bringing back elasticity and preventing cracking. It also forms a protective coating against dirt and skin oils that wear out the surface. Routine maintenance every few months increases the FOB's life expectancy and enhances usability. Even sticky or dead buttons can be restored to working condition. At more than $100 per replacement, this easy maintenance is well worth it. Small things count, especially where something is carried daily. Dull trim can easily detract from appearance. And while your key fob might finally feel brand new again, wait until you see what WD-40 can do for your car's tired, sun-beaten trim. It's like turning back the clock with just one wipe. Restore faded plastic trim. Yellowed or faded plastic trim will make a showroom new car look like a beat-up old vehicle. UV light and time-darkened bumpers and mirror caps, gray, dull plastic with the look of abandonment. Here's a do-it-now repair. Wipe WD-40 from a microfiber cloth directly onto the faded area. Black instantly darkens and the finish smooths. It won't leave any residue like those cheap sprays and can withstand rain. It also deposits a thin UV protective coating that stops further fading. Spray it on door handles, mirror pedestals and bumpers, and any plastic trim exposed to sunlight. No detailing chemicals or equipment are needed, only WD-40 in 2 minutes. Try it and you'll never notice faded trim the same again. That's 10 WD-40 car hacks you probably weren't using but should be. If even one of them saved you time or money, break the silence in the comments section kindly.